Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer Apple Music to SoundCloud. If you're using any iPhone and you want to transfer your Apple Music to SoundCloud, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open up your browser and here you have to search for a website which is Tune My Songs. So you just have to search for that and here you can see there's a website which is Tune My Music. So you have to simply search for the website. And here once you have opened this website, and here's the name of website, you have to open the same website. Once you have opened, first of all you have to select Apple Music, or first you have to select if you want to transfer SoundCloud to Apple Music. So first you have to select SoundCloud and then you have to select Apple Music. But I'm going to transfer Apple Music to SoundCloud, so select Apple Music first, and then you have to copy Apple Music playlist and URL and paste it here. Once you have pasted, you have to select the second source, which is SoundCloud. So simply tap on it and it will remind you that you have to connect with your SoundCloud. So you must have to continue with your account. Once you have entered your account here, your music will be automatically transferred from Apple Music to SoundCloud. So in this way, you can easily transfer your Apple Music to SoundCloud. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.